Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious homemade chicken and shrimp wontons that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. 'To prepare these delicious chicken and shrimp wontons, homemade, these are the ingredients. I have shrimp, ground chicken, garlic cloves, ginger, scallions, Chinese lettuce, wonton wrappers, of course sesame oil, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, soy sauce. And let's make these amazing wontons at home. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the Chinese lettuce. I am going to slice it, dice it really small. And I am going to add a little bit of salt right on top of them. I want to make sure that the salt really helps getting the excessive liquid out of the Chinese lettuce. I am going to mix it really good. I'm going to put it to drain. I'm going to leave it in here for at least 30 minutes to get the excessive water out in order to make these amazing wontons with shrimp and chicken. Well, here I have the chicken. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of all the spices so that it gets really soft. It penetrates the chicken really good. And make it easier for you so that you could make this amazing wontons, chicken and shrimp wontons at home. Of course, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I want to add it in here so it keeps the moisture in the filling. And once everything is incorporated, you want to make sure that the Chinese lettuce really release all the excessive water before you add it, okay? So make sure that you let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Once you let it rest, then add it into the chicken mixture, and then you're going to start adding all your onion, dice it really good, add it into it, incorporate it really good. You could do it with the spoon, you could do it with your hand, you decide, but you want to make sure that you incorporate it really good. And once this is done, then you are ready to continue with the shrimp. I have medium-sized shrimp that I have already deveined. It's already nice and dry. I have it on top of some papers, and what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna cut it, dice it really good in very small little pieces so that it really incorporates and it blends into the chicken mixture. So once you have everything like this, you are going to add it directly into the mixture of the chicken. You are going to incorporate it really good into all those ingredients that are in there. These wontons really come out really delicious and moist, and I am sure that once you make them, you are really going to fall in love with them. Very easy to prepare, and they come out delicious every time. So once you have this ready, you are ready to start, assembling your wontons. I have the wontons here. I'm going to add a little bit of water to the sides, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon directly in the center. And look how easy it is to make this design. Of course, you want to make sure that you get all the air out so that when you steam them, they don't open and all the filling comes out. Look how easy it is to make this design and close it really good. Just remember, don't add too much filling or else they're gonna
pop open and all the filling is gonna come out. But look how easy it is to make this design. Of course, the more you do it, the more practice you get making them. Well, I'm gonna continue making them so that I finish making lots that I'm making today. Of course, you are going to steam them. And I bought this steamer at Amazon. And they came with this little parchment papers that are reusable. And let me show you how this looks. You're gonna open it, you're gonna put the little parchment paper in the center, you're gonna add your wontons, and then you are going to cover it on a pan. I have already water boiling. I am going to take it, put it on the boiling water, and I'm gonna cook it for about 15 minutes. You know when they are done, when you could see the steam coming out. But I'm gonna show you that. Look at this. I'm gonna cook it for 15 minutes. I am ready to make the dressing, the dip. I am going to use the same ingredients, 1 tablespoon of all the ingredients to make it easier for you. It's a very easy dip, very delicious dip. Of course, don't forget to add your garlic, your ginger, your sesame seeds right on the top. My mouth is watering because I really can't wait to enjoy this amazing dip. Remember to really dice your garlic in very small little pieces so that it really infuses all the ingredients that you have in this plate. Of course, do the same thing with the ginger. Cut it, smash it, make sure that everything really incorporates really good, and then just add it into the mixture. Mix it really good. Don't forget to add your sesame seeds right on the top. Mix it good and your dip is ready to go. By this time, I am sure your wontons are ready. Let's go and check it out. Let's see how they're doing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and be part of Cooking with Gloria. You can see the steam coming out. That's when you know that they're ready. Let me show you the wontons in the inside, how they look. Look at this. They are ready for you to enjoy. Of course, I am going to prepare my plate. I am going to enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy them like I make them here at home. Of course, they're nice and hot, and that's exactly how I want them. I am going to go ahead, add them in here, add a little bit of scallions right on the top, and then I am ready to enjoy them. I hope, my friends, you try this amazing recipe at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy.
Friends, I am completely done with these amazing chicken and shrimp wontons. Of course, in this amazing sauce. If Cooking with Gloria could do it, you could do it too. Excuse me. The filling is so tender. The flavor's amazing. You need to enjoy it and make it at home. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. So good. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing wontons at home. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing wontons. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.